Okay, so good evening. Happy Friday. I am hoping to come on and just talk a little bit about different ways that you can use your essential oils to start cleaning in your home and to also just um, realize how easy it can be. It doesn't have to be like you don't have to do a huge overhaul right away, but just taking things and keeping it simple, starting with, cleaning your countertops a little differently. So, and then I want to talk about the tools you need. One thing that is important to know with your essential oils is using glass bottles. The essential oil can permeate plastic, so we want to make sure that we're using glass bottles to make our cleaning solutions. And then the last thing is just to have fun. So let's kind of dive in a little bit. And the first thing I want to talk about is, like I said, it's just keeping it simple. So one of the things, the first thing that I did was I made my own cleaning spray, like hand sanitizer or just like a cleaning spray. And the best thing is just these. This is for reference. This is 2 ounces. So it's about like the size of my hand. And I have 16-ounce bottles for the cleaning around the house. I have one upstairs, downstairs, that type of thing. But these 2-ounce bottles are great for just cleaning the surfaces in your car or the grocery cart. And then it also doubles as a hand sanitizer. So let's talk about this first, because this is a really great way to start. doTERRA has their On Guard spray, but if you are, gonna get 6 of these bottles, which is always the way to go, Amazon is great for that, then you start with this. It doesn't have to be fancy. So like I said, I would add some of my On Guard, and I would add probably like 5 to 10 drops to a 2-ounce bottle. And with my On Guard, I'm going to throw in some lemon. So On Guard and lemon, they are, I was doing some research, I was asking around from other people, and everyone, lemon is so powerful. And On Guard is, it's our protective blend. So starting there, this is great. Another great place to start if you're thinking of transitioning, getting some cleaners, is with your windows. How easy. Now, don't get me wrong, leaving good old Windex I'm like, my windows, they don't feel clean. They look funny. They have a film. And what I learned was actually using a microfiber cloth really gets them super clean. It takes away that smear. So what you can do is some white distilled vinegar, and if you're taking notes, but is 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and then about 15 to 10 drops of lemon. It works. It's crazy, but it works. Or you can use any other favorite citrus-based oil. So this is a really another fun one to do. The next one that I would really recommend, and this one is, this is actually one of the first things I did was made a countertop cleaner. And for the longest time, my husband had used Dr. Bronner soap. And so we have some around, and I also use those in our wipes, our homemade wipes that we make. So Dr. Bronner soap is a good universal soap, but we use that when you're using your countertop spray. I'm getting off track. Using my white vinegar again, and about a half a cup to 2 cups of water, so 16 ounces. So again, for reference, we've got a 2-ounce bottle here, so a lot more of this. And then I use lemon and On Guard. Again, you don't have to use a lot of different oils, but if you are looking to expand on this or kind of pack a little bit more punch, you could add some Melaleuca to that. Or if you like the smell of eucalyptus is a really good one to add to a countertop cleaner. This is one in my bathroom because I'm trying to make a homemade spa, because I don't have time to go to the spa, but I have time to spray some eucalyptus on my bathroom counters and in my shower. So it's homemade spa spray. Just think of it like that. You know, when you're cleaning, you can think, I'm just creating my spa space. So if you happen to have Purify around, Purify is also good to add to those countertop cleaners or your bathroom cleaners. And another trick that I've started doing lately, and I don't remember where I read it, but just putting a couple drops of Purify in your garbage bag, or also you can put it on a cotton ball underneath your garbage, so a natural air freshener. So, and plus this stuff smells amazing. So I just wanted to kind of put it out there and give people some options, some ideas to integrate oils into your cleaning. And this is, again, just to help you get jump started. So pick up some glass bottles, and you can just use water out of the tap. It doesn't have to be distilled water. Get your white vinegar to clean with. And, ironically, this is also something you can do some drops of white vinegar in your diffusers and let it run a little bit, and it'll clean them out. That's what I do. And I always did that in my kids' humidifiers. So that's where I started doing that. You have your On Guard and your lemon. I don't know very many households that haven't started out with On Guard. But if you don't have it, then of course you've got your lemon as another option. Your tea tree oil is another really good option. And as I mentioned, eucalyptus. So it doesn't take many oils, but we, out of all of those, talked about how to make a window cleaner and a countertop cleaner and a hand spray or a cleaning spray. And hopefully you can kind of start to integrate them slowly into what you're doing every day. So, does anyone have questions that are on here? I feel like I blew right through that. So, I think one of the things that can be overwhelming in general when you're trying to think about expanding, your use of essential oils, like just outside of using them in your daily life, is starting to realize, how many different places you can integrate them. So just remember to keep it simple, and starting with that hand spray, or starting with a countertop spray, or I've expanded into my spa spray, which is just me cleaning my bathroom with eucalyptus, like I said. Thanks. So I hope that that's helpful. I'm having fun with going live and just kind of keeping it quick, because this is like that time where you're kind of just sitting on your couch and you're vegging out and you're catching up on some great ways to use your oils. If you have ideas or questions or suggestions, please let me know. But I hope everyone has a great Friday night, and I am going to go catch the end of bedtime. That got done a little bit later tonight. So have a great weekend. Thanks, guys.